YouTube, hello, how are you? I am about to go look at some land today, and I will be taking you along with me. So I hope you're ready for the ride. I'm super excited. We're gonna go check it out, and hopefully it's what we're looking for our off-grid life. So it's the start to the beginning of what we want to do. So I'm gonna take you guys with me to take a look at it, and hopefully it's something that we're trying to get. So I'm hoping it's what we need. So super excited, and we'll see you there.
An hour and a half?
No, just an hour.
Why are you so close to this airport?
Are you worried about me, bro?
I should be videoing, not you.
Bam! Check it out. We made it. We made it, guys. It's I didn't even realize it's difficult in getting back here. It's pretty cool though. It is a yeah, the mute out my Jesus Christ, buddy. Check this out. Oh man, it's definitely plenty wood. All right, so there is a water line here. Yes, it's a water line. What do you guys think? Is that a water line? Is that hook up water? Let's go exploring. Let's go exploring, man. Yeah, there's a pole for power. Say hi. We're gonna. At least I got the driveway. Oh my God. Oh, there's a lot of abandoned houses. Oh my God. I don't know. What you guys think? It's a lot of trees to cut down. I ain't gonna lie, it's a little scary out here, bro. Are you here? Listen. Oh, you can't hear now. It's like all you hear is like howling and all kinds of stuff going on. These woods is crazy, man. And this is supposed to be the land that I'm buying. Or potentially. Potential. I'm just saying potential. So I'm just checking it out, man. See if this, oh shit, spider web. There's plenty of trees. Lots of trees on the land. They said I could do whatever I wanted with the trees. I can cut it down, keep them. But it's quite a bit. Quite a bit. Quite a bit. And ain't no creeks or nothing going through the property, but it's okay. We don't need creeks, right? Oh, what? There might be something going through here. Look. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's a fucking hawk, dude. Just landed right on the ground. It's a hawk. I don't know why am I nervous. Yeah, I don't need him to fuck with me. Yeah, I don't know what that is. I don't know if that's a creek or going through here. It's just water. Oh! Beaver done been through here? Shit. Man, these things is tall, dog. Oh, shit. Man, it is a lot of potential over here, though. Yeah, ain't nobody coming back here seeing what I'm building, bro. Ain't no way, right? The lady did say that it ain't really no restrictions, but the homes only can be like 1,000 square foot per 0.33 acres or something like that, and it's way over that. It's quite a few, so maybe if I put them all together, I can build what I want. Oh man. Oh man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is so much. This abandoned houses just falling apart right here. That's crazy. It's crazy. Oh man. Definitely wildlife out here. Very good potential, man. I can cut it down, flatten it out, and get me a house built, put me a camper back here, an RV or something. Oh yeah, there's definitely a lot I could do back here. Oh shit. Oh shit. Running into everything, man. Go in the woods, they said. Buy a piece of land, they said. I don't know, you tell me what you guys think, man. So if I can get an RV back here, and I start getting me a build. Well, I ran into the water again. Oh. So yeah, I could definitely get plenty of stuff back here. I can do this. Plenty of room to build a lot of shit. I could definitely do some builds back here. For sure. For sure. And it is back here. When I say it is back here, we went through all kinds of bumpy roads and stuff to get here. I might show you guys on the way out. What was that? I don't know. Don't know. But yeah. Well, it's concrete right here. It's concrete. Look, concrete. I don't know what that's for. A little slab of concrete. I don't know what that's for. But it's pretty big, man. It's like 1.5 acres. And they don't want much for it. I'll tell you that. Which is a steal, honestly. And where it's at, it's crazy.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Crestwood Drive.
How beautiful is that?
Oh my gosh.
Ain't no way this is real, right?
I love it.
right, so we made it home, and we took a look at the land. Thanks for joining me on this wonderful trip to look at this land. So yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think about it. And I'm not sure. The only thing that I have issue with this property is there's some abandoned houses that are around the area, which is a little creepy. And two, there are some neighbors that are fairly close that I don't know if doing it off grid, I don't really want to have anybody that's too close. And I would rather have somebody that is a little far away. And I don't really want no neighbors. So that's kind of the only things that's throwing me off. The land itself is not bad. It's needs to be cleaned off pretty good. And a lot of trees need to be picked up and took down, which is still not bad. I can take care of that, I guess. But I think it's the neighbors in the abandoned houses for me. But yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Let me know in the comments down below. I'm going to look at another one next weekend, and I'll take y'all with me so we can look at another one, and y'all can help me pick it out. So thanks for joining me today, man. Until the next one, Lucky Tribe out.